Okay, now we would like to go with, so once you are able to identify your niche, you're able to identify your keywords, you're able to identify yung sa content writing. Now we would like to go with paano naman yung paggawa ng a simple website using ang tinatawag natin dito is about creating a simple affiliate website. And I would like to ask Glenn Pepito to share about paano naman yung paggawa ng paano yung paggawa ng website when it comes for affiliate marketing na process. Okay, I'll turn you over to Glenn. Glenn.
Okay po. Thank you po, Ms. Jane. Let me just share my screen. Okay. And then okay. Visible na po ba yung screen ko po?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes po.
So wait. Okay. So now once my topic will be about how to set up your website. So but before we go through that one, let me walk you through lang po through the process before you could you would want to start. I mean, before you would want to build your website. As Miss Jane stated kanina, first you have to do your research as to what potential niche market are you trying to cater to, and then after that one, you could once you've identified your niche market, and then that's the time you do your keyword research po at saka for potential SEO. And then once you've decided on your keywords, you can now start building your own websites. So kumbaga, you have now to start to create your platform on where you would start promoting products or services from affiliate companies. So ang question po is, do you really need a website for affiliate marketing? Hindi po. Some people focuses on YouTube. Some people focuses on social media. Ang problem lang po nito, pag you are purely on social media, ang kadalasang nangyayari po is, pag may new post, natatabunan na po with the new post, yung current post ninyo, within 1 hour or within 1 day, due to the volume of post there is in social media. So dito po pumapasok yung website. John told you about how to create contents or articles. And since these articles are found using user's intent, meaning the person is using a query to search this content in Google, and then so mas madaling mahanap yung article or content if it's found on your website. So in this case, ano po bang purpose ng website natin? First is to create the quality content. As Sir John mentioned kanina, if you want people to find your articles or your content or your website, it should have a quality content that aims to answer or satisfy the needs of a certain query of a particular user. Second po, your website is the repository of all your affiliate links. Meaning po, lahat ng keywords, articles nyo po na may keywords, may link, potentially may link po yan to allow you to allow the user to click on a product or services that may relevant sa kanyang query. And also, you could use your websites to interact and collect information with your intended audience, which you cannot do in any social media. Kasi sa social media, limited lang tayo sa profile sa Facebook. In your website, you could have people subscribe to you and then collect those one using basic contact forms or subscription forms. Now, ang tanong, bakit WordPress? WordPress is basically one of the most popular website development tool used currently. Bakit? Because it's free. So as long as you have your own host and domain, you could have WordPress. Tapos, you don't need to code. In fact, you can just click one button and then the website is already installed to your server. And then, kung hindi ka naman marunong mag-design ng website, WordPress has its feature na drag and drop feature kung saan you just have to know which buttons or icons to press, and then this will be added to your website's images, text, and other elements of a website. And as well, kung marami kang functionalities na gusto mong ma-feature sa iyong websites, then you can just use plugins. Again, uh, the approach of WordPress is basically po to allow people who are non-programmers or non-technical persons to create their own websites without having to learn how to code. And ang pinaka-importante po dito as highlighted is WordPress is designed for SEO. It has been proven na websites made by WordPress are easier and more compatible to SEO, especially for Google rankings. Kasi design po ang WordPress for SEO. So, yung basic steps po, I will not just go into the details, pero as I've said, you can make your website within a few hours. Ang basic po nito is you have to install ang sa host po or sa domain niyo, especially kung cPanel, they would allow you to install WordPress by just clicking a button. I think may sample ako dito. So this is how it looks like in your server. And then once you click install now, uh, magsa-set up lang po kayo ng basic configuration such as information about your sites, and then the description of your websites. By the way po, when you design your website, this is based po on your SEO research or analysis. So anyway, i-discuss nila yan later. But basically, the information needed here should match the result of your SEO research and analysis. Now, as I've said earlier, hindi ka kailangan maging technical. So, you can just install a theme para pag bukas nila sa website mo, the website already has its own predefined design and elements. Ang gagawin mo na lang is to customize it para maging uh, sariling website mo na po ito. So, for example, in my case, I used Spacious. So, this is how it would look generically, and then I changed it and it became like this. So this is now how the website looks like after I customized it to meet my niche market, which is a diabetes. I mean treatments for diabetes. And then furthermore, you could further customize your posts and articles using Elementor. As nakikita nyo po, drag and drop, and then the elements of your websites are already created. So you can see how your website would look like. And then if may gusto kang i-add the images, text, buttons, drag and drop lang po talaga siya. This is using Elementor or any basic editor po found in WordPress. So no coding involved. Now, as kanina, so if you already have an article, let's say gumawa ka na ng article, na-check mo na yung SEO ng article mo, and then you want to add your affiliate links. So in this case, this is one of my pages. And as you can see, this picture here, edited, I inserted this picture here, which is a link to a product or service from my affiliate marketing company. So if someone reads this article and then clicks on this image, it will send the user to the website where he or she could purchase this product. And then if the person purchases this product, my commission po. So that's where we earn as an affiliate marketer. So in this case, I think you could probably earn as much as $30 to $80 per successful purchase. Now, I mentioned earlier that if you want to explore the features of expand the features of your websites, you can do so by adding plugins. So, ang tanong, ano bang plugins na kailangan if you want to do affiliate marketing? So, there are three major categories that you would want to take note of kapag isa ka affiliate marketing. Number one, ang basic po is security and maintenance. So, ang website po is normally attacked 44 times in a day based po sa research ng mga security agencies. So you have to make sure nga first and foremost your website is secured. So ang pangalawa po niyan is SEO optimization. As I've said, we want our websites to be developed with SEO in mind. So kung gusto mong mahanap talaga ng users yung website mo, you have to make sure that there's a way to check the SEO optimization of your website. So pwedeng on page, pwede rin through the typical sitemap and indexing. I think one of the best example here is Yoast SEO. Yoast SEO allows you to check whether your articles or pages are optimized based on your keyword research. And then lastly is for the affiliate marketing uh, features. So when you say affiliate marketing, the most important asset there are the links. So you would want a plugin to manage your links. Kumbaga, kung nag-type ka ng keyword mo within one of your articles, automatically this plugin will attach a link to a certain product. And then also, may tanong kanina, how do you know if sino yung audience mo? How do you know if na-measure mo yung filtering na concept? There's a plugin for that one which would allow you to which would tell you what kind of people are visiting your websites, or if mali yung for example, ang target mo na nagvi-visit are people from this kind of this country, tapos ang nagvi-visit pala is from another country, then you would know based on the insights or the analytics found in this plugin. Also, hindi lang siya limited sa website. It could be that you could use these plugins to conduct email marketing, your postings in social media na synchronize siya sa articles. Pag may nagawang bagong content in your WordPress website, automatically synchronize siya to your social media platforms. And then you could also include this one for the content of your email marketing. And then also, again, once okay na yung traffic mo, you could now start with Google AdSense. And for that, you would need an ad management plugin. Ad management plugin could also be used, no, for your affiliate links. So affiliate links, Google AdSense, you can do that. And then, ang pinaka-importante is subscriber information collection. It's very important to keep a list of people who are interested in your topics, in your products, or in your website. That way, kung may bago kang promo, may bago kang product that would meet your criteria, you can actually send those information or their article directly to their email. So in that way, they don't have to go to Google and look for it, but instead they just check their email. Okay, so I think that's it for